If your linear smart garage door opener system is not functioning correctly, you can use your operator light's flash codes to determine the condition causing the operation problem. Anytime a condition or problem occurs while the garage door is in motion or attempting to move, the door will stop moving and the operator's light will display anywhere from 1 to 7 light flashes depending on the issue. These light flashes, or flash codes, are a helpful troubleshooting tool to determine the condition, cause, and solution to your door operation problems. If you're unable to open your garage door with your remote transmitter, followed by 5 operator light flashes, your garage door opener system is set to vacation mode. When vacation mode's activated, the remote transmitters can close the door, but once the door is closed, all transmitters are disabled. Note, the door can still be opened using either the app or the wall station's up-down arrow push button. To turn off vacation mode, go to your wall station. Since vacation mode's active, you'll notice the up-down arrow blue LED light is flashing. You'll want to open the wall station cover to access the programming buttons, and then press the lock button to return the garage door opener system to normal operation mode. Close the wall station cover, and you'll notice the blue LED is now solid, which indicates normal mode is active. Vacation mode is now turned off, and your remote transmitter should now be able to open or close your garage door free of any flash code. If you have any further questions, please use the contact information on screen.